We check in now on the latest cattle market news with our market update, brought to you by CattleFax.
Hello, I'm Chad Spearman with the CattleFax update. According to the latest data from the U.S. Energy Information Administration, U.S. ethanol production surged to the highest level in nearly a year and a half. In recent weeks, the industry has started the transition from historically low old crop corn supplies into much more abundant new crop corn supplies. New crop corn supplies are becoming more available as harvest progresses, but the harvest pace is lagging the historical averages, and it will take some time to replenish the supply pipeline. According to the USDA, 39% of the U.S. corn crop was harvested as of October 20th, lagging behind the 5-year average of 53% harvested and the 10-year average of 54% harvested. With corn harvest underway, U.S. ethanol production is on the rise and averaged 897,000 barrels per day for the week ending October 18th. Weekly production rose to the highest level since mid-June 2012, which was a turning point where corn prices rallied higher and ethanol production declined sharply as margins turned negative. Ethanol production tends to rise seasonally throughout the fourth quarter of the year and then decline throughout the following first quarter. The USDA is currently projecting corn use for ethanol and byproducts at 4.9 billion bushels for the 2013-2014 corn market year, which runs from September 2013 through August 2014, rising 5% compared to the previous market year total of 4.7 billion bushels. Increased ethanol production means increased availability of distillers' grains for the livestock feeding industry as well. However, strong export demand for dry distillers' grains has been noted and is expected to limit the increase in domestic availability in the months ahead. For the Angus Report and CattleFax, I'm Chad Spearman.
To learn more about CattleFax, your leading source for beef industry market information, visit CattleFax.com.